Today for the EMPORIA Smart 5 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So we should first open the settings application and then tap to the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, we should click once on the switcher, and after that we'll see here the list of all of the available networks which we can connect. For example, let's use the first one. Here we should just enter the password. If you want to see this password, we should click here to this show password checkbox. So let's just enter the password and click to connect. After that, just wait a couple of seconds and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we can use here more networks by the same way. Enter the password, tap to connect. After that, you'll see the list of the saved networks with the passwords here in this section. You can switch between them. So just to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click here on the switcher also. Also, again, one more way how we can do that, we should first open the notification panel shortcuts, and somewhere here we should find Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on the icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. And to launch Wi-Fi settings, we should just hold it for a while. And now, by the same way, select the network, enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.